skyline and dreamed of open plains? Have you driven down a freeway and longed for table drains? Been lost in a sea of faces and drifting through the world alone, and dreamed your heart back home. And I'd ride upon the wind if it would take me back to the flats where my wild oats were sown, etched into the grain I bear the family name that hangs upon the gate where I come from. As a kid I climbed the hill and dreamed of moving on, leave the dust of that small town, and one day I'd be gone. Still too blind to see it was already part of me.